Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to save Animoto video. It is a very simple and easy process, so let's dive right in. First of all, find the Animoto app on your home screen. Now open it. Then choose one video that you want to edit. Go to your camera roll and simply select the video just like this. Then tap onto video itself to edit the video. Now edit however you like to edit the video. You can add the music, add the text, and add the way of the video that you would like to edit. And after that, simply tap onto the check mark right here. Now to save the video, tap onto the share button at the top right corner. Now here you can find the option of download. Simply tap on it. One thing to remember, to save the video, you need to upgrade the Animoto app. Now tap on to learn more and you can simply subscribe to Animoto plan and you can upgrade it and download the video. And that's it. This is how you can save the Animoto video on your mobile phone. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips. Thanks for watching.